the dollar you murder for is at the war fighting for your soul. All your brothers are one that you're running from, but if you got money, forget, cause I want some.
B.I.G.
Hi, my name is Evan Bibb.
My name is Marcus Presley.
Today we're talking about the Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution was a new transition, new technology basically. Manufacturing process. It started around 1760. It ended around 1820, 1840. That's the time period that they say that it ended.
The Industrial Revolution had many new inventions, such as the spinning jenny, the flying shuttle, and steam turbine.
The spinning jenny was invented by James Hargreaves in 1764, and it was used to produce yarn and fabrics at a fast rate.
The flying shuttle also became one of the key developments in the Industrial Revolution. It was used for industrial of the weaving. It was developed by John Kay in 1733. It could be used, to weave much fabrics wider during the process.
The seed drill was invented in 1701 by Jethro Tull. It was a fast and efficient way to place seeds 12 inches apart for crops to grow better and have an equal amount of nutrients within the space it's provided.
Hey, we back.
And now we're talking about factories. In the Industrial Revolution, production was started in the factories. The factories had a system and how it worked and functioned, and that was called the factory system.
Now, Evan will be drawing the factory system. What would you like to tell us about this factory system, Evan?
The factory system contains the spinning jennies working on one side.
Yep.
And the flying shuttles on the other.
Okay.
You had your wool or cotton being spun through the spinning jennies. And after they would get spun, they would get transitioned over to the flying shuttles for weaving. And then after that, they would get dyed a certain color.
Okay.
And they would be dried. After the factory system was done drying, they would be shipped and transported by railroad tracks or sails or boat, if you want to call it that. In the Industrial Revolution, people tried to produce goods and foods at a faster rate.
Right now we're about to talk about Robert Newcomb, who built the steam engine but was later patented by James Watt in the 17th.
So, Robert Newcomb invented the steam engine in 1712. It was the first practical device to produce mechanical work throughout Britain and Europe. Its primary use was to pump water out of mines.
James Watt was a Scottish inventor and a mechanical engineer whose improvements to the Newcomb steam engine were fundamental to the changes brought by the Industrial Revolution in both his native Great Britain and the rest of the world. Watt continued to develop the new inventions, though none was as significant as the steam engine. He unfortunately died in 1819 at the age of 83. He empowered the steam engine with water and coal to produce steam.
This was an early invention of the James Watt version of the steam engine. In the Industrial Revolution, there were some effects. Some effects of the revolution was life in Europe and North America changed drastically. The effects of the revolution would be agriculture made population explode because of all the food production.
Yeah, many people moved in the cities, from rural areas to the city, to start jobs and to make a living for themselves.
The Industrial Revolution slowed down because the number of blue-collar jobs, which are jobs involving working in an office. So the blue-collar jobs exceeded the amount of white-collar jobs, which are construction jobs, or physical labor, and this started the information age, which is the age of revolution we're in now.
This is what a factory would look like during the Industrial Revolution time. This is a nice picture, actually.
Thank you for watching our Industrial Revolution video.
Yeah, we worked really hard on it. Thank you, Mr. Powell, for watching the video.
We're signing out.